Hello everyone, welcome to Jenkins tutorial. Today we'll see how to configure a multi-branch pipeline in Jenkins. So let's get started. So I'll just go to a new item here and click on multi-branch pipeline and configure my job name. So I'll just give snake demo multi-branch. Okay, and we'll just keep all the things as it is. In the description I'll mention this is a demo for configuring a multi-branch Jenkins job. Okay, in the branch sources we'll just go for git, and here I'll give the git repo, and this git repo is open, so you don't need any credentials for that. So I'll just go here, copy it and paste it. We don't need any credentials. If you need any credentials, you can see my previous lectures, and we can also use the same credentials, because this is also the credential which can help us to download the source code or clone the source code. So let the discovered branches be like that, and we are all set. And in the build configuration, we are getting all the build configuration from the Jenkins file path, as we saw, like how to run a pipeline using some script. So this is just a sample script. You can have your own script for reference. So now let me explain the script for you. So here we are just creating a pipeline, and we have mentioned to run on any agent. The stages are like the first stage name is cloning git, and it's using the checkout SCM for downloading the source code. Then we have the next stage, which is SAST, and we are just creating a shell script box and just echoing the message here, SAST stage. Similarly, we are doing next step as in the next stage is build and tag, where we are echoing this message, and similarly for the other stages. So that's it part. So that's it for this. So we'll just configure this thing, and it will try to find Jenkins file in our current workspace location and do the required things needed. So we'll just go with all the things with default and save it. And once we save it, it will scan by default, scan all the branches at my repo, and do a corresponding build for that. So as of now, it is find the Jenkins file, and this is the main branch only. And if we go to the repo, we can see we have only one branch here, that is the main branch. It has done that, scan the multi-branch pipeline, and it is find Jenkins file, and it started building that. So let's see that it has already completed that also. So if I go here, this is my Jenkins job name, and this is the branch. If I go here, we can see it has built all the stages required. Now let's do one more thing. I'll just go here, and I'll try to create a test branch from the main branch. Now, why do we need to create a branch? So branch is basically created so that you can carry on your development work. So there may be stages or times when you want to differ from the branch, and you want to create some other project or feature, or maybe some functionality test. So that time you just create a branch. So for demo purpose, we have just cloned this same and just created the test branch from the main branch. So if we go here, we can see we have only one branch. Now we can scan the multi-branch again. So once you scan that, it will scan for all the other branches, and it will build it again. So let me scan it again. So once I refresh, we can see like it has automatically detected the other branch which we created test, and it will start executing that. And we can see like it has again started executing that, because it is in the test branch, it has went to the Jenkins file, and it has created all the required stages. So there are also other ways, like instead of scanning the multi-branch pipeline manually, you can also go to the configuration part here, and then you can configure it to scan the branches at with, some timeline. So let's explore that part. So yeah, this is the interval where you want to scan your multibranch. So you can scan it 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 hour, etc., depending on your uh, need. So suppose for now I will just go with the 1 minute scan, And in the meanwhile, I'll let me go ahead and I'll create one more branch from that. Let it be demo, and I'm creating this from the again from the test branch. So it's created, and I'll go with the 1 minute interval for the scan part from the configuration of the job itself. So just save it. So it should auto scan the test branch, and it should build it. So we can see it is automatically scanned that demo branch, and it has started building already. So if I go here, uh, again it has done the required things, because it is basically all the branches are same and there is no difference, and it's just for our demo purpose. I have just shown how to build the multi-branch pipeline or the job in Jenkins. So thanks again for joining for the tutorial.